Now first let us understand what is zero day. Zero day is an attack which was unknown earlier and now being exploited by the attackers. The attack is not detected at first place and there is no readily available counter defense mechanism. It remains zero day till the time a security patch is released. An attacker obtains the code of a system or a program and then does what is popularly known as reverse engineering or return oriented programming. They take few lines of code at a time and try to write exploit, and finally they compile the entire fragments of various exploit and launch a zero day attack. The exploits developed is auctioned on the deep web for the highest bid. Now let us look how we can have an anti-zero day. Have a disaster recovery and an incident response plan. Patch and update the system software and hardware regularly. Use a robust anti-zero day security solution. The old ways of malware detection is ineffective as they relied on binary signature or reputed outside web URL and servers. Also, address space layout randomization, popularly known as ASLR, and data execution prevention, popularly known as DEP, is ineffective protection measures. Collaborate with the security experts and security industry to stay updated with the new types of threats and its countermeasures. Make your user aware of their actions. Conduct a regular vulnerability test to discover unpatched flaws. Don't just deploy an application because of time pressure. Get the code thoroughly reverse engineered and check for bugs. Deploy Herculeistic scanners to block unknown attacks. Use advanced analytic techniques to detect the slightest level of abnormalities. Robust system to disconnect important system for attacking system could come to your rescue at some time. Have a software which could shield the application software and browser. For example, Malwarebytes Anti-Exploit Premium.